Hi guys, Kathy's Adventures here. I'm here with Keno Life. How you doing, Keno Life?
Doing well. Let's win big. Oh, look at that.
Oh gosh.
Look at that.
Oh, is that lucky?
Double infinity, baby.
Double infinity. Okay. So this is $50 in free play. We're just gonna play $1 because they only have 25 cents to mom here at the Palms. So let's see. And that's my 7th spot. Come on, we need to see those wolfies howl. So this might be a quick session because we're only gonna do 50, okay? Well, 50 spins. Am I counting? I hope. That's what we need, Dean. We need a counter for these little,
Spin counter?
yeah.
I actually have a couple at home, but I don't think I brought any with me this trip.
Oh.
I brought it because early on I was doing it.
How? Woo! Oh.
Let's go.
Okay. I remember Dean likes X marks the spot, don't you?
No tens, a couple sixes, so that's good.
Let's see. Can we do it, guys? Can we do? Ooh, one more. I'm not greedy. Okay. I am playing the bar top, so hopefully the music is not too loud. But look, it's still pretty good, huh? Sneak preview of Kathy's Adventures. One more. Oh, yeah. Oh, what a tease. That could have been so much more. Okay. I hope someone's counting my spins for me because I'm not. You know, on your first day, you just do whatever. Fun times. Okay. I like to play 50 cents WolfRun, but for some reason they don't have it here. One more. You can do it. Come on, Wolfie. Sometimes you have to give him a lucky tap. Sometimes. Guys, do you find that sometimes you win on Freeplay? I do. Especially on the slots. I don't know what it is, but whenever I play slots on my Freeplay, I always win. Uh-oh. Someone got the wolfie next to me. I wonder who. Now it's my turn. But I wonder why his sounds much louder than mine. It's loud. Oh no. Okay. There we go. Come on, we could get a double up, can't we, Wolfie? Just give us, oh, I was gonna say just give us 6 of those, but no, we want 7. We'll take 6 in the bonus though. And I don't know, something about WolfRun, I like to play in the middle of the screen. Creature of habit, guys. But I should try to get out of that, right? There you go. There you go, baby. This time we're just gonna do random. Random. Come on, 6x, 5x. We could do this, baby. If you notice, I didn't say a 10x because we all know what 10x does. He goes bye-bye. Let's get a 5 trigger. That would be exciting, huh, guys? Oh, wow. Oh man. Come on, I wanna double up. We can do this. Keep on, keep on. Oh, hit. Oh goodness. Alright, well you know what that means, guys. See? I didn't even have to say it. Okay, if we get one more bonus, I think we could get to a double up. Let's see. We have 4 minutes to get it. Let's go. Why not a 5 trigger? Or maybe I just need to change the spots. What do you guys think? Maybe, maybe not. Another, okay, let's see here. We'll try it, change spots. And then we'll do this. Erase. Oh my gosh. Sorry guys. We're having technical difficulties here. Alright. How about that? I like that corner. Normally, when I first start playing Keno, all I would do is play the 6th spot up here. But then for my grandma, I added the 7. It's number 23. But I really haven't hit that yet, I should say. I might change those bonus spots because they don't look happy there. One more. Oh no. Uh-oh. Keno Life is on fire. Keno Life is on fire. Okay, I'm thinking.
We need 2 of our minimum. There we go.
I want to get some re-trigger luck. Well, first we have to trigger. Like, you know, life. Oh dear. Okay. I'm just gonna do one more here, and unfortunately we didn't get to double up, but I believe, let's see here, let's see, I'm gonna try to get fancy here. Let's see how much money we made from our free play. What does it say, guys? So that's 100% flip, right? So I'll take that. All right, Kathy will be back.